Hello friends, today we will talk about the Marg software and how to use it. So just open the software, see on dashboard, just click on dashboard. You can check your total dashboard, net sale, net purchase, gross profits, and percent and cash in hand, prescription reminders. Next one is a fund summary, due payment, outstanding. Next one is a business and new added stock and pending. Next one is you can click on master. When you can click on account master, you can find out the ledger, group, sale and purchase. Next one is the inventory master. Just you can check item, enjoy your store and the rack. And next one is a company. You can search name of company multiple. If you want to create new company, just click on create and you can create new company. Next one is the item. You can find out item in the search bar. Next one is the store and next one is the unit. You can find out unit in the dashboard. And next one is salt. So you can search multiple salt medicine name above 5 lakh. So you can check your multiple medicines and you can find out easily. So next one is the manufacturer. If you want to search manufacturer, you can search there. Just click on manufacturer and just search the manufacturer. So just click on the next one is the search. So we will find out. Next one is a rate master. So you can check price list and a discount master agency general ID. Next one is the order master. Next one is the prescription area and the station. On next one is the ledger. You can create ledger entry. Next one is stock, TDS and currency. Next one is the purchase and the account transaction. Then next one is the receipt payment, a debit note, credit note. And next one is the contra. You can create contra billing. Contra. Next one is the journal, bank risk. Okay, bank reconciliation. Next one is the stock management. You can see easily work out. So you can check a report and just click on CRM. You can go on the dashboard. So thanks for watching my videos.